The fight against COVID-19 has led to a lot of new research.
Doctors have been searching for whatever can help. We're throwing everything, the kitchen sink, at the COVID-19 virus, trying to see what works.
And in some cases, new applications for existing technology.
In the food prep industry, which is the safest industry in the world as far as food preparation the United States has, they decontaminate facilities to kill listeria, bacteria, viruses.
Dr. Daniel Mongiardo believes that can help in the fight against COVID by flooding areas with particles that destroy viruses.
This creates all these billions of ionized particles, which then lands on surfaces, under surfaces, and it completely decontaminates on a continuing basis. Instead of deep cleaning like we have been doing with Clorox, this is ongoing.
Dr. Mongiardo said another benefit to that system is they would also help reduce the spread of the flu, strep, and the common cold.
I can tell you the day school starts because of the increase in strep, and this will kill strep on an ongoing basis.
He wants to see the devices in groceries, schools, and factories. They can be installed into AC units or be freestanding.
We're looking everywhere to find solutions to this very difficult problem, and I believe this is a piece of the solution to help reduce the spread.
In Lexington, Victor Puente, WKYT.